wear a face mask. Putting a face covering over your mouth and nose isn't all that comfortable, but it is important because it helps prevent the spread of infection. When an infected person coughs, sneezes, or even talks, they could release germs into the air that may infect others nearby. Having a face mask on helps eliminate cross contamination. Even if you don't feel sick or have COVID-19 symptoms, you should seek wear a mask. This is because people can be asymptomatic, not feel sick, and transmit the virus.
Wash and frequency. People who consider and sneeze or wash an object can touch surface, leaving infect droplets behind hand washing skills. Germs here should be wash your hands with soap and water of 20 seconds.
Stay 6 feet apart. Have you heard of the term social distancing? Before, this is a term meant to remind people that they should stay distance from the people outside of their households. The virus spreads between people. If some it's sick with COVID-19, they can spread the virus to other people. When they enable or exhale air through their respiratory droplets.
Second, stay active. Despite the change your normal routine, your school still try to be physically activity possible and less walk, more upset course for your sake and involves skipping, shopping, jumping.
Stay connected. You might not be able to visit family members besides those that you live with, but that doesn't mean you can't spend time with them over a video chat. Staying connected with the people that you know will make difference in routine feel more tolerable.
Jumping and get and sleep. Make your sure ears getting you are sleeping so that body has time to recharge. Sleep is important part of healthy lifestyle.
Get a flu shot. During the winter, both the flu and COVID-19 will be around. A flu shot does not protect against COVID-19, but it does reduce the risk of any serious flu-related illness, and therefore you need for medical attention. It is likely that healthcare facilities will become quite busy, and saving healthcare resources for the care of COVID-19 patients is important. Thank you.